In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Fibonacci trick, how to sum a column of numbers instantly in your head, and then we're going to learn why that trick works. So the first thing we need are two numbers, and for simplicity, we'll use 2 and 4. Now add them together to get 6. Now we're going to add the 6, the sum of the first two digits, to the number before it, which is 4, so we get 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we'll repeat this until we get 10 terms. So 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 10 is 26, 26 plus 16 is 42, and so on until we get to the 10th term. Now, instantly add up all those numbers in your head to get the sum. Are you ready? Go. Did you get 462? All right, well, if you didn't, then to understand how to do that, we're going to need to represent the numbers algebraically. So that means we'll call the first number x, the second number y. To represent adding them together, that's simply x plus y. To represent adding the third term to the second term, that's x plus 2y. If we continue doing that, we'll get 2x plus 3y, 3x plus 5y, 5x plus 8y, and so on until we get to the 10th term. And when we add up all of those algebraic representations, we get 55x plus 88y. 55 and 88 are both divisible by 11, so that means we can reduce that to 11 times the quantity 5x plus 8y. So now if you look, you'll notice that 5x plus 8y is also the algebraic representation of the 7th term. So that means the sum of all 10 terms is always 11 times the 7th term. So if we multiply the 7th number in our series by 11, we will always get the sum of all 10 numbers. So now you're saying to yourself, well, I have to multiply 11. How do I do that? Instantly. Well, there's another simple trick for that. All you have to do is write down the first number being multiplied, add the first number to the second number to get the next digit, and then repeat this until you get to the last number. Then all you have to do is write down the last digit. So for 11 times 42, write down the first digit 4, add 4 plus 2 equals 6 to get the next digit, add your last digit 2, and you get the answer 462. So let's try another sequence. In this case, our 7th term is going to be 89. To multiply by 11, we write down the first number, 8, then add the first number to the second number. That's 8 plus 9 equals 17. Wait a minute, 17. What do we do with that extra number? That's 2 digits. Well, that's easy. We just take the extra 10. It's going to carry over to the 8, which will make it 9. So the first two digits are now 9 and 7. And then all you have to do is write down the last digit 9 to get the answer, which is 979. And that's it. That's our trick. And if you liked it, you'll love our book, Crush Your Math Fear: Tips, Tricks, and Riddles to Improve Your Math Skill. It's available on paperback and Kindle. You can purchase on our website, KidsSci.com, that's kids plural, SCI.com, for $1.99 in the ebook version, or you can find it on Amazon in Kindle version for $2.99 or in the paperback version for $9.20. Thanks for watching. You can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com KidsSci, on Twitter at twitter.com KidsSci, and you can also find us on LinkedIn.